Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your garden space app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for garden space app. So or just click here on search, then here at gardens space app, it's going to show for you like this here. Click on it, so then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on ok. So then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your play store, you click here on play store here. So you search here for garden space app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.